So for number 6, okay. Now number 6 looks a bit funky. Okay. What makes it look so funky? It's back. What do you mean by backwards? You mean the can you be what do you mean by flipping it? Okay, so you like more terms on the right hand side? Is that what you mean? Okay, yes. What else makes this a little bit funky? There's a number in front. Okay, so that means those are the powers, right? And can you see the letter A as a base? Okay. Now that may cause a little bit of a scare, but actually, if you do more, and the key point is more. If you do more of it, you realize that it's actually not something you should worry too much, because at the end, you will have a single log on each side, and they would just get canceled out. All right, so 3/4 become the power of 16, which is what? 16 to the 3/4 power. So the 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 cube is 8. Okay. And then minus log base A of, well, 2 to the 3rd power is 8. Ooh, do you see something special on the right? Log base A of h minus log base A of h, that is simply 0. All right, so now you may get very surprised with a 0, but do not get too emotional. Just carry on. And then what will we do? We will we'll exponentiate both sides with a, because we want to cancel out the log base A. What is a to the 0 power? 1. Anything to the 0 power, it's 1, remember? So x squared is equal to 1. So x plus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to negative 1. Do we have 2 or 1 solution only? 2 solutions or 1 solution? Well, it depends on what happens if we put the value back into x. 1, going back to x, that's lovely, that's fine. But putting negative 1 into x, that would be ugly. So therefore, we have only one single solution here. X equals to 1. Yes? Exponentiation, just like how we cancel the a, like cancel the log. We're not canceling out the a, we're canceling out the log. Yeah. So that's why it's important to know what cancels out the log. It's through the process of exponentiation. And a to the 0 power is just 1. Anything to the 0 power, it's 1.
If it was 2, would you put 8 squared, x squared?
Where is 2? I mean, on the right hand side?
Yeah.
Well, if it's on the right hand side, it's 2 instead of 0, then yes, it becomes a squared, and that would be one heck of a dilemma to get through, to overcome, because now we have 2 unknowns. Okay. So when we design these questions, or when we have these questions, they usually work out pretty well. Okay, so it could cause a little bit of a scare in the beginning, but once you exercise patience to see the whole questions through, then you realize that it's not really that big of a deal.